what's this door doing here? Open this up. I know, disgusting. Look at these mats. We're gonna make some new ones. Tell them what kind we're gonna make.
Moss rat. What? Moss mats.
Moss mats. We're gonna make moss mats. So, let's go to the workspace. What? Where are we? Where? Is this heaven? Ah, here we are. Okay, we just need this real quick. All right, boom. All right, let's go. Oh, who closes this door? All right, let's measure that. All right, what do we got? Pull this up. Now pull it. The dangers of childhood. Oh. Well, that's what happens there. Let's go back to the work spot. Whoop! Oh, okay, we found desperate times call from desperate measures. We got ourselves, what's this thing called? Measuring tape for, the clothes people. Clothes people do this. So this is in centimeters. We don't need the length of this. We need the length to this corner. So measure to the corner.
Where that arrow is.
Where that arrow is. I mean, that's good. So it's 43 and a half. All right. And then how about width? Make sure it's straight.
Almost 84, 83.5.
There's no almost. It needs to be tight from one side to the next. All right. Holding it. Okay. So we got 84, 83.
I think it's 83.5.
Hold it tight to the
is
wall,
tight.
bro. 83. Okay, 83 and a half. All right, to the workspace. We got some monsters here. Oh gosh, this monster. How do we pass this monster? We need to get to work. Oh, I know. We just need to stuff ourselves into it. Hey, monster, come here. Let's eat it. It worked. It worked. The beasts led us to this piece of wood that we can use as is. Now this isn't the right size, but this will be good for the other one. Let's go find the other one. Oh, say hi before we teleport.
Hi.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, we found something. Measure it. We already measured it. Just you can pretend to measure it. What's the length?
70.
So you don't know. All right, measure it again. Measure it again. Alright, so we need 83 and a half by 43 and a half.
It's about 74 and a half.
74 and a half is a little short, and that's fine because, I don't want to use any material that we could use for something else. This is a simple project, so we'll just use what's at hand.
About 39.
39? Perfect. It's a little short. Alright, let's go hunt for, what are we hunting for?
Moss.
Moss. Let's do it. All right, we're on an adventure. We're off to see my friend. It's my friend. It's my friend over there. Hey, friend. Wave. Hey. It's my friends over there. Wave. Yay. Wave. Yeah. We're on an adventure. They're also on an adventure. All right, well, that's enough of that. We're on an adventure to find moss. Now, the best place to find moss, you just have to follow the dog, and the dog will always tell you where the good moss is. I found the good moss. Look, it's on that roof. All right, we're gonna climb on the roof and we're gonna get some moss. Are you ready for this moss on the roof?
Maybe.
I'm ready. Let's go. We're gonna climb up. All we have to do is jump up and we'll be up there. Whoop. I'm up here. Why don't you jump up? All right, I'll come help you. Oh, see, you're up here. Good job. I don't know how you did it so fast, but we're gonna get here. Look at all this moss. Let's get it. Let's get it now. Yum, 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 yum. All right, look, this moss is so perfect. It comes right off. Look at that. It just comes right off. Look at that. Oh, look at that thing. I'm gonna put it in this box. I'm gonna look at my friend. He's my friend. Yeah. I'm gonna take more moss, okay? And all right, we got a box of moss. We got a child getting off the roof. How you gonna do? You just gonna jump like a boss, or you gonna be afraid of cat?
Hold my hand.
So you gonna be afraid of cat. And that is okay. Just don't pull me, okay? Okay. I'm passing the camera down to you. Only record horizontally. Okay, I'm also passing the box of moss to you. Actually, don't worry about it. You got the camera. Okay. Box. Alright. Let's go. We're on to see an adventure. Don't click stop. Here, I'll take this. You take the box. Alright. Now I'm going to look at you and I'm going to transition out of you. Oh gosh, okay, I'm getting dizzy doing this. Alright, we got the moss. We got the surfaces. We're going to put it up there. We might put them on all three. I don't know, but we're definitely gonna put it on this one right here. All right, so let's just take a look how the outline's gonna look like. I was thinking of doing borders at first, but then I was like, is that really necessary? I mean, we still can, but honestly, it doesn't need to be. So we'll just set it down here. All right, just set it down here. Boom, boom, boom. Styrofoam is going to be nice too because it's already squishy on its own, plus the squishiness of the moss will be really nice. Let's take a look. I'm going to organize it. Whoop, pull that out a little bit. Got a nice box of that. Obviously you can go and buy moss, but you know, why would you do that when you have your own? There's no point in that. There's no point in that. Grow your own moss, people. Honestly, it grows itself. We're gonna set it all down, and then we're gonna look at it from the aerial point of view. Look at this rug. Look at this thing. Freaking rug of moss. I can just slap this thing down. Let's move this then now. Oops. Oh, I don't want to rip it. Okay. So this is happening. What's happening? This is happening. Let's take that back. Let's put it in this corner. Right? So we're getting an idea here, and then we're just gonna fill in the rest of it and then glue it down. We're waiting for Anna to come back here with the hot glue gun so we can put it down. Okay, 1, 2, ready? We're gonna dive in. 3. Oh, very nice. Is it yummy? All right, I'll try it. Nom 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 nom. Here's your last one. Pick it up. Now eat it. Hey, I'm gonna eat it. Why would you? Spoiled kids.
It's a shot.
Spoiled kids raised in the 2000s. Were never raised in poverty of Russia. America has spoiled you. All right, let's start gluing stuff. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Do it, girl.
Yep.
Get out. We're using this to clean the moss, not you. The moss. Now that that's done, let's clean them up. Maxie, let me clean the moss in peace. That might be too strong for the moss. We have some delicate moss here. Not too strong for the dog though. You're gonna rip everything apart. I think she gets tired of that.
She's coming back for more.
Maxie, you're gonna rip my moss into pieces! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Why is she so rude? You done? Alright, cleaning the moss now. My cameraman told me we should clean the moss, and at first I was like, what are you? Hey, I am the main... I am the star. I am the star. What is your problem? As I was saying...
She's back.
Hey,
She's back.
Can you just record what I need you to record?
Yes.
I said, what do you mean we need to clean the moss? What are you, crazy? Clean plants? And then she explained to me that my feet will get dirty, and that makes sense. So we're cleaning the moss. Maxie, get out. Leave it. Leave it. So at least rinsing it a little bit, then we're gonna squeeze it out. Well, squeeze it. What are you recording anyway?
You.
What? My face?
The moss.
The water?
The moss.
Okay. Are you done? Yeah. That's what I thought. There you go. Get nice and close. Okay, now you do it, and I'll record. Just spin out of it. All right, we're cleaning the moss and the dogs, cause she crazy. Spray her in the face. Spray her in the face with the jet. She wants the jet. There it is. That's what she likes. That's what she likes. Just don't spray me. Max. She's soaking wet, yo. She's soaking wet. Do these ones right here. The ones that I haven't done yet. These ones. Max it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Yeah. We don't care about the needles. We care about the dirt. So just spray it until clear water comes out. Max, you crazy dog. Yes.
Nope. Sure.
Now get in there, baby. Get in there. Clean that up. Oh, yeah. Now we gotta wring it out. Let's see how we wring that thing out before my phone dies. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. And she's sad about not having more water. So sad. Alright, we're gluing this thing. Gluing this thing. Alright, boom. And now you can see we're almost done. We'll be done very soon. Whoopsie. Let's do it again. You ain't ready for this. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? You ain't ready for this. Check this out. Sorry, hold on. You ain't ready for this. Whoa. Check this out. I mean, look at this. These two will be next. Look at this. Like, just look at this. Just look at this. You seen this? Have you seen this? Let's do a slow pan. Oh, yeah. Now let's go from above. Look at this. Just look at it. Let's do a quick zoom, huh? Up the high. Ooh. Come on. Like, come on. This is so good. All right.